Looking for a simple, digital-first credit card? Most people get this wrong. They choose complex cards with hidden fees or confusing rewards. The First Digital Mastercard is built for straightforward spending, online management, and credit building for beginners. Here's what you need to know. First Digital offers flexible spending with real-time transaction monitoring through its app. There's no annual fee, and it reports to all three major credit bureaus to help build your credit history. It's a great option for people new to credit or those who prefer managing everything digitally. Tips to make the most of it. 1. Use it for small recurring expenses, like subscriptions or groceries, to establish a positive payment history. 2. Set up automatic payments to avoid late fees and strengthen your credit profile. 3. Track your balance and spending through the app to avoid surprises and stay on budget. Who should consider this card? Beginners, digital natives, or anyone looking for a no-fuss, online-first card that helps build credit responsibly. Its focus on simplicity and digital management makes it ideal for modern credit users. In conclusion, the First Digital Mastercard is a practical, beginner-friendly way to manage spending while building credit. If this review helped you understand its benefits, subscribe for more tips on choosing smart credit cards and building a strong financial foundation. Start simple, spend responsibly, and grow your credit over time.